Wow. What's good, YouTube? I know it's crazy. But I'm back with another video, and there's more to come in 2022. I want to apologize for the disappearing act, and I salute y'all that still be commenting on the videos. So right now in this video, we're not gonna keep y'all long. I'm just gonna show y'all what I've been doing with the hair since I stopped waving. That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna show you what the hair is looking like right now, and in the next videos we'll talk more about that, because I know there's some people that are on hair growth journeys. So we're gonna get to it and show you what things are looking like. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. You can't go wrong. But yeah, so this is what we're looking like right now. We've been growing our hair for like good easy 5-6 months. Took a break from waving. I figured I'd give y'all a video because a lot of people have been asking what you've been doing with the hair. So that's what it's looking like. I've been fading it, and we've been just, you know, having it like this. You can look at it and see it's out of control. It's been pretty fun. It's what it's looking like. You see the other side. And again, all my social media and everything, links to, you know, all the things I represent, whatever, is in the bio. So you can go down to my bio and, you know what I'm saying, have at it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Again, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on the content that will be dropping. I'm not gonna tell you that I'm gonna be consistent. I'm just gonna do it and you're gonna see. I'll see y'all in the next one.